Carl's climbing on me now. Oh, take it easy.
Whoa! Shit! How did that happen? There was just...
today at
Oh my
gosh. It was great.
There was a big accident just now. I didn't even see how it happened. I'm sure Nick will have it on camera, though. It was somebody... Well, I'm about to turn on Rainbow. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to because that's where the accident just was. But man, the car that I'm looking at right now, I don't know if it's one of those, the Scion or whatever the hell it is. And it is totally bashed up in the front. I mean, there's no way that car's drivable. And there's debris everywhere. I can't see the other car. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to work. I can't see it.
Rainbow and Unser?
Rainbow and Unser, yeah, like just getting ready to turn on left onto Rainbow. We'll see. There's a car in front of me. I think we can go all the way around it. Except there's 2 lanes, right? This is a double turn.
Yeah.